Hi guys, just a few days ago a new photograph reveals the upcoming DJI Mini 4. If you are interested how it looks like and what my thoughts are, then stay tuned. If you like what you see, then help the channel to grow and subscribe. The drone community couldn't be happier when a new picture of the possible DJI Mini 4 was released a few days ago. The well-known Twitter user Jasper Allens, I put you the link in the description, constantly provides pictures of pre-released DJI drones such as this time. In lots of cases he was right with the prediction, but could it be as well this time? I don't want to keep you in suspense any longer and show you the picture that has been revealed. What captures immediate attention are the vertical feeds on the front arms of the UAV. These feet are very familiar to Mini 3 and Mini 2 users and contain the receiver of the RC transmission. And it is a good feature to take your drone by hand, like if she's naughty or something. You are a bad girl. Anyway, that exactly is the reason why the Mini 3 Pro has such a less and bad range, especially when flying with the RC controller. A pity for such an expensive drone. Also, we can see that this drone will have again the easy folding technique, where it does not matter if you fold first the front and then the back arms or vice versa. The gimbal looks the same to me as the one from the Mini 3 and Pro version. Therefore, I bet the cam also can be rotated to shoot vertical social content. If you ask me, it's extremely similar to the Mini 3 anyway, with only minor differences. Also, the obstacle avoidance sensors are justified in the same way. Maybe they are rotated a bit more sideways, crafted to be wide angle in order to have a greater view. Well, I guess I also can see the reward-facing obstacle avoidance sensors are nestled on the back of the forward ones. Maybe we see a 360-degree obstacle avoidance feature this time. In case of drawing comparisons to other drones, one can't help but note a similarity to the Parrot and Nafi AI. Is this really wanted like that? Anyway, this is not the first time we've seen kinda leaked pictures of the DJI Mini 4. Remember, a few months ago there was a CGI rendering of a so-called Mini 4C which totally looked different to the one we are seeing on the picture today. Let me show it to you. The design and the whole basic structure was different. I thought this was pretty cool because the arms of one side were connected, that you only needed to fold it once. On the other hand, we must ask the question if it really makes sense to drop a Mini 4 soon. The Mini 3 Pro launched just over a year ago and the Mini 3 just over half a year ago. Is the community and the customer really ready for a successor? What do you think? If this would be so, what about the innovation and technology? Is it worth just for better obstacle avoidance? I don't think that photography and videography has made that big leaps in the last months. Besides all of that, we don't know nothing about any camera specification. It doesn't look to me that this Mini 4 we are seeing on the picture has, for example, multiple cams like the Mavic 3 Pro has. So maybe this leak is just a fake or dead end. Well, anyway, it stays exciting. Is this the successor of the Mini 3 and Mini 3 Pro? Are you looking forward to it? Let me know your thoughts and drop me a comment below. And that's it for today. Don't forget, if you like the video, smash the like button and sub to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.